Dear viewers, September 30th is just around the corner. Government has notified September 30, 2021 is the last date for you to link your PAN card with the Aadhaar card that you must be having. Beyond that date, it is definitely possible that the IT department could freeze your PAN card if you have not linked these two. In this episode, we are going to show you a step-by-step guide how you can link your Aadhaar with the PAN card that you are having. This is NRI Money Clinic for you, and I am Dr. Chandrakant Bhatt, investment consultant and a financial planner.
NRI Money Clinic. No hype, just the right advice.
Dear viewers, to take you through this step-by-step process, how to link your Aadhaar card with the PAN card, I have requested my friend and our faculty, Chartered Accountant CA Sriram, to help you with this step-by-step process. Mr. Sriram, welcome to the show, and I request you to kindly guide our audience on the step-by-step guide how they have to link Aadhaar with the PAN card. And if there are any points that they have to keep in mind, let's say for example for NRIs, it's not essential that they have to have an Aadhaar card, but it's a good idea that if they have an Aadhaar card that they link it with the PAN card. But if they don't have an Aadhaar card, we have already done a video earlier how they can register their PAN on the income tax portal and show that they are the NRIs. So that's not an issue. But for everyone who is having an Aadhaar card and a PAN card, it's a good idea that they link these two, and please guide our audience on how to do it in a step-by-step manner.
Definitely. Let us now see how to link the PAN with Aadhaar without logging into the new e-filing portal. Just browse into the new e-filing portal, that is www.incometax.gov.in. Then scroll down, wherein you will find couple of links under our services. One is how to link Aadhaar with PAN. Click on this, then a new web page will be shown. In this, you need to enter your PAN, you need to enter your Aadhaar, enter the name as per Aadhaar, and you have to enter a mobile number. Now, this mobile number should be compulsorily an Indian mobile number only. However, this mobile number need not be the mobile number which is given in the Aadhaar card. If you have not having an Indian mobile number, then you can take the help of a friend or a relative or anybody in India to provide their mobile number just for the purpose of linking of this Aadhaar and PAN. This is to be noted that the mobile number which you are going to enter here will never be registered with either the PAN or with the Aadhaar. It is only for the purpose of authentication, that a robot is not trying to link any or use this page. This is being used only by the human being. And to the mobile number what you are going to enter here, OTP will be sent at the end of the PAN and Aadhaar linking procedure. After entering all these details, you need to tick that I agree to validate my Aadhaar details, and if you have only the year of birth in the Aadhaar card and not the full date of birth, then you need to tick this column where I have only year of birth in Aadhaar card, and then click on link Aadhaar. Once you click on link Aadhaar, it will provide you an OTP to the mobile number which is given in the previous slide. The OTP what comes to this mobile number needs to be entered here and click on validate. Once you click on validate, a message will be displayed. Your request for PAN Aadhaar linking has been sent to Uday for validation. Then click on OK. Your Aadhaar and PAN linking process from your end is complete. Now let us look into how to check the PAN Aadhaar linking status without logging into your e-filing portal. Now come to the e-filing portal and scroll down to our services. In our services, there is one more link which displays like this: known about your Aadhaar and PAN linkage, and click on this link. Once you click on this link, you need to enter the PAN as well as the Aadhaar. After entering PAN and Aadhaar, click on view link Aadhaar status. One more message will be displayed after clicking on that. Either it might state that your Aadhaar PAN linking request has been sent to Uday and it is under process. Otherwise, if your Aadhaar and PAN is already linked, it will display a message saying that this PAN and the Aadhaar what you have entered in the previous slide has already been linked. This is the entire procedure how to link an Aadhaar and PAN.
So dear viewers, some of you could have been the NRIs there, and one of the problem that you are facing was, I don't have my Indian number, I am not getting an OTP. Now Shriram has given you a solution here. It is need not be the your number which you have used while getting your Aadhaar card. You can use anybody else's number, and it's just only for the sake of getting an OTP. If you have a family member or a friend on the other side here in India, you can use their mobile number and get an OTP and go through with this particular exercise. Hope the video that I have done today helped you to link your Aadhaar and PAN card. If it has helped you to do this linking with effortless ease, please like this video. If you are a person who is watching this channel for the first time, or if you are yet to subscribe for this channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and relatives. Thank you very much for watching this episode on NRI Money Clinic. I shall be back with you with yet another topic in yet another video very soon.
Press the bell icon for more details and subscribe our channel.